Hello my friends, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this USB flash drive. I'm always transferring files, so flash drives are probably something I use 5 to 6 times per day. So we got this flash drive to test out, so let's get testing. So here's how it looks up close. Files, pictures, music, video. You know, it's your typical flash drive. On the back here, you can pause and read the specs if you'd like to. Let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. So this is it, 64 gigabytes. Now you just press down to pop out your USB plug. And when you're done, to protect it, you just press up. So that's a good feature for protecting from getting debris inside or messing up your connector. Now let's plug it in and transfer some files. Okay guys, so 64 gigabytes, you actually get 58.5. If you're wondering, this is actually pretty normal for USB drives. Most drives that I have seen range anywhere from 5 to 10 gigabytes less than what it claims to have. So this is pretty normal. We're going to go ahead and transfer some files and see how quickly it transfers. Okay, so we're going to just drag a couple files here over across. And we're going to see how quickly this will transfer. So there's the speed. This is from our desktop 3.0 USB outlet to here. So as you can see, the speed's not super fast, but it does work. It does do a job. This is transferring video files, so not bad. It's obviously not going to be the fastest USB drive that you've ever had, but it's a USB drive for storage and it does its job.